Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into Super Image, the world's first decentralized AI image generative platform designed to transform how we create, share and own AI generated visuals. Dear viewers, imagine a world where AI creativity is not controlled by a single company but powered by a global community. That's exactly what Super Image represents. So in this video, I am going to explain each and every aspect of this platform. So this video is going to be very informative. Please don't skip any part of the video. Before we get into details, here I would like to request all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel Crypto Line, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out the notifications of the further upcoming videos. Dear viewers, this video is for informational and educational purpose only. It does not constitute financial advice. Viewers should always do their own research before participating in any project that requires investment. Dear viewers, Super Image is a fully decentralized AI ecosystem that lets you turn your ideas into stunning high quality visuals in seconds. It operates on the DBC AI public chain, ensuring complete privacy and transparency, no centralized servers, no third party data storage. From photorealistic art to anime and surreal styles, Super Image delivers incredible results powered by advanced diffusion models like Hydrium, Flux, Dev, and Sana. Dear viewers, with over 50,000 followers on Twitter and more than 70,000 on Telegram, the project has already built a strong and active community of creators. Now I will explain how you can create your required image on Super Image AI application. So here you can see, first of all you will have to create a wallet. So here you can check new SIC wallet. Here we will go to create our wallet. Dear viewer, you must save your private key file in a safe place, such as writing it down and putting it in safe. So dear viewers, here you can see that we have created a wallet. Here you can check out the wallet address. You can also copy it. Here you can see that you can transfer, you can export wallet, you can close wallet. Here you can check out your wallet balance, transaction, purchase, SIC and other details. So dear viewers, now we will put our input prompt to create image. So here you can see that I am going to put my prompt. I have already copied the prompt and now I have pasted my prompt. Here you can check out my prompt: a futuristic cyberpunk girl with neon tattoos, glowing city behind her, cinematic lightning. So this is my prompt and now I am going to create an image according to my prompt with the help of superimage.ai application. So here we will click it and here you can see that it is in the processing mode. You can check out the processing. So dear viewers, here you can see that superimage.ai application has created three images according to our prompt: one in Hydrium and one in Flux, one dev model and one is in Sana model. Here you can check out the crystal clear images. Dear viewer, Super Image is not just a platform, it's a creative revolution in Web3 AI art. Join the movement, generate your own masterpieces, and be part of the decentralized future of creativity. Dear viewers, Super Image has joined forces with major tech players including Alibaba Cloud and Google Cloud, marking a huge step in AI infrastructure collaboration. The project also secured 5 million US dollars in strategic funding led by Genesis Block Capital, a strong indicator of industry confidence. Best of all, users can already experience free image generations via Super Image Telegram bot. Simply type a prompt and receive 4 beautifully rendered images in second. Dear viewers, GPU miners can contribute power and model creators can upload and monetize their AI models, earning shared revenue. Here you can check out its features: Flux DEV, Sana, Cog, View 4 and High Dream L1. So here you can also check out the models detail. There are the ways to obtain SIC tokens. Dear viewers, step 1 is, as a user of Super Image Services, you may receive an airdrop reward. The second is by providing GPU computing power. As a miner, you can continuously earn SIC rewards. And the third one is you can purchase on an exchange. Here is the white paper of the Super Image, and here you can also check out the technical information and the detailed information about the Super Image. I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out the white paper of the Super Image to get detailed and technical information about the platform. There was another big news is Super Image just secured 5 million US dollars strategic funding led by the Genesis Block Capital as the world's first decentralized AI image generator. Super Image delivers multi-model text to image, High Dream, Flux, Dev and Sana model, and it costs at just 1/10 of the Web2 platform's miner powered GPU network plus the deflationary SIC token. This is Telegram community of the Super Image. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join this Telegram community. And this is the Twitter page of Super Image. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the Twitter page of the Super Image to get real-time updates, announcements, airdrops, and many more details, partnership announcements, and many more details about the Super Image platform. Dear viewers, here you can check out Super Image token, and here you can check out its price is 0.00027633 USDT. And here you can also check out the details. This detail is showing the successful launch of the Super Image SIC token via an initial agent offering IAO on the XAI agent platform, confirming a strong community response and a well-capitalized market entry. So here you can check out the details. Successful IAO completion. The launch was a success, releasing 2 billion SIC tokens. Overwhelming participations. The IAO attracted immense interest with over 2.73 billion XAA tokens contributed, indicating strong demand for the existing native token holder community. And the next one is robust liquidity established. A significant liquidity pool was immediately set up, containing over 401 million SIC and 9.6 billion XAA, ensuring deep initial liquidity for trading. And initial valuation, the SIC token was launched at a price of 0.00027633 USDT and a native token equivalent of 10.75502 XAA. Here you can see. And the chart dynamics, the trading chart, here you can check out the details. The trading chart likely for XAA, the pairing tokens, shows a dramatic vertical price spike in early September, where the value jumped from below 5.000 to the current consolidated level of 10.75502. This surge was preceded by high volume, suggesting intense buying pressure from the participants accumulating XAA to secure their positions in the SIC IAO, demonstrating significant market enthusiasm for the new AI assets. In essence, the data showcase a highly anticipated and well-executed launch for the Super Image SIC token, establishing it as a new high-demand assets within the decentralized AI ecosystem. Dear viewers, Super Image is more than a tool. It's a movement towards decentralized creativity. Whether you are an artist, designer, or AI enthusiast, this platform empowers you to create freely, securely, and collaboratively. You will find all relevant links conveniently located in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on cryptocurrency and Web3 innovation, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.